Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking at Carroll. I'm Travis, and I'll be making a pesto chicken salad wrap for you today. And first, I'm going to take some pesto chicken that I marinated for about 24, 36 hours, something like that, and then I baked them in the oven. They look like that, and I have them cooled. And I'm just going to dice them up for you. Get one more chicken breast in there, and I'll start mixing everything together. Okay. So now I'll show you the rest of my ingredients. I have celery, onion, roasted red pepper, pine nuts, and then mayonnaise and pesto, which has some pine nuts in it, but I wanted to add some crunch to everything and give some nuttiness. And then just some leaf lettuce, just to add to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of onion. Equal amount of celery. Maybe about a quarter cup of pine nuts. And then I just need to julienne these red peppers. I'll grab a smaller one. Okay, now we'll add equal parts mayo and basil, or the basil pesto, I mean. Maybe about a third of a cup. And then the same thing with the mayo. And I'll just mix everything together by hand. Then when it's done and mixed together, it should look something like that. And now it's ready to assemble. Okay, welcome back. I have my tortilla here and my leaf lettuce. I'm going to put that down first, because when you put a wet salad like this on a tortilla, it's just going to soak into the tortilla, and when you try to wrap it, it's going to tear. So I have that down, and now we're just going to put a nice portion on here, like so. Always wrap the sides in first. Roll it over. Okay. Please join us Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the Bistro Cafe.